Hey guys, welcome back to another Just Meta AI content creation tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how you can use Just Meta to write a company bio. So whether you're going to use this for Facebook, LinkedIn, your website, you're going to use it for a trade show, this is a great tool to have. So in order to write a company bio, all you do is go to the AI panel, go down to templates. So you can either go to websites right here, or you can scroll all the way down till you see the green ones, and you'll see company bio. So what is your company name? So I'm going to call my company name Donald and Associates, right? And we're a real estate broker and agent representing families buying and selling residential real estate. So for creativity, I want to be a little creative here, and I want to be friendly, or let's go with supportive, right? Because I'm trying to be positive, excited, supportive to the customers, right? So, once I click generate, a bio is going to pop up over here, and that just takes a couple seconds. Welcome to McDonald's and Associates, your trusted real estate broker and agent dedicated to helping families buy and sell residential real estate. With a supportive approach and an unwavering commitment to excellence, we aim to make your real estate journey a seamless and enjoyable experience. At McDonald and Associates, we understand that buying and selling a home is one of the most significant decisions you will make in your lifetime. It is deeply personal and emotional process, and we are here to help guide you every step of the way, right? So it's a whole thing about the company, what they do, who they help, right? And this could go right on your website. This could be condensed down and go on, a lot of different things. So one of the things I like to do when I do a company bio is, let's say I want to change it up a little bit. There's this little tool here that can summarize the content. It can shrink the content, expand the content, right? I like to summarize this because this is a little long, and I'm going to put it in like a YouTube bio or something. I want it to be a little small, right? So you can see it took all that and made it down to one little paragraph that I could put in maybe a tweet. I could put on my, LinkedIn bio, right? And this is a lot more bite size. So as always, once you generate some AI content, you can edit it, you can change it, but you want to check it for, make sure that everything in here is accurate. So for example, here it says that they believe in giving back to the community and are actively involved in local charities. So you want to make sure that if you're going to leave that line, you're doing that. If not, you can take this line out, put something else in, change it to something else. This is a working, living document. You can click up here to save the document. This will export it. This will save it to your documents right over here under accounts. So guys, this was a quick tutorial on how you can make a company bio in just a few clicks in Just Meta. We have over 70 templates that we're going to be exploring in upcoming videos, so we hope you join us for the next tutorial. Have a great day.